What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I'm back with another video, and as you see, we have a Benjamin Franklin Ender right here, and I'm going to show you the clip of me opening the box. Alright, let's see what's inside. Unbelievable. Check that out. Benjamin Franklin Ender. That's awesome right there. Let's see if we got anything else in the bottom of this. This is awesome. This is the third box I've opened just now. For the stream, and this is the first Ender. The other ones, there's a bunch of these that are busted open like that with the edges kind of knocked off. I don't know, one of them doesn't even have an end on it. It's really odd, but that's a good sign. Hopefully this Benji with these beat up rolls, or with the other beat up rolls in the other boxes, this is going to be awesome. Alright, so you've seen me opening this box, and just awesome. I love finding Benjamin Franklin Enders. You just get hyped up about this box. I'm going to put this back in its position for now. Of course, it will be put back into the box randomly. But long story short, when I got to the bottom of the box, as you see this one, let's see if I can get this to drop down. You see how it's a different color. Now, that is the reverse of a Kennedy half dollar. And I'm going to assume that that is silver as well. There is no mint mark on the back, so we don't know if it's 90 or 40%. But it looks like silver. I can't say that it is, but I mean, what's your opinion on that one right there? Anyway, we have 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3 right here. We're going to search 2. We have 1 extra box as a reserve box, just in case, because we have been kind of outselling the boxes on our live stream, so I wanted to have a few extras. These are odd, as I said in the clip of opening this box right here. I got a lot of these right here. The rolls are just busted. On this box back here, check this one out. That's how that one was rolled. That's in this reserve box. There's also a white wrapper roll. So them are always, I don't know, is that good luck? I hope so. Yeah, so a lot of busted rolls, as you see, like that. So as always, I bring a few silver lopes out so that you can see them and see what could possibly be, but not limited to, what's in the silver lopes. This is an 1.5 ounce Falcon right here. This is a 1 ounce Krugerrand from South Africa. And then there's constitutional lots, and then anything in between could be possibly in a silver lope. Also, with these quarter pieces of paper right here, if you find 4 of these over the course of however long it takes, not just in one stream, but in several streams. Once you find 4 of these in the envelope that you choose to keep, you get another ounce of silver. So let's not forget about those right there. Now, what I don't have out here is the super chat envelopes, and I forgot all about them to bring them out. But added prizes at the end of stream for the super chat levels that we reach, all the information about donating for the rolls, for the silver lopes, what donation comes with a silver lope, the marked rolls, everything is in the description down below, so you definitely want to check that out. Of course, you'll want to leave a comment on this video, because this is the comment video that I will use for the random comment picker to pick a winner at the end of the stream. There is also an additional giveaway, and you'll have to watch one of my mail calls in order to figure out what you have to do for that giveaway there. So I hope to see everyone in the stream, and I hope that all these boxes produces silver for us. I did pull this one out, and I forgot to mention that when I first started the video. This one was busted wide open. I wanted it to count for something, so I put an extra profit pull on it. I am going to put tape on that so that it doesn't get any worse. So I hope to see everybody, like I said, 6 o'clock p.m. Monday, and until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think.